Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can use the location targeting feature inside a LinkedIn ads campaign. So let's go on the platform now and we can edit the campaign. So let's say this is the campaign and we can go to the location targeting section of the campaign. So as you can see over here, if you scroll down, you'll come to the audiences segment where we get to see locations, recent or permanent. Now, this is where you can edit this and customize it as per your business needs. So we can edit this and you can start adding your locations. So we can add, let's say, a country. You can also do a state targeting. You can do a city targeting. You can also do pin code targeting. So LinkedIn gives you with multiple options, which you have got over here. In addition to this, if you want to go ahead and exclude certain locations, you can do that as well. So let's say I don't want to show my ads in New Delhi, so I can add that as well. So what it means is that my ads will appear everywhere in India, but not in New Delhi. So this way you can exclude certain locations as well. So this will be the location targeting option which LinkedIn provides you inside the campaign level. I hope this makes sense. You understand this now and you can customize it as per your requirement. As you can see over here, when we select a particular place, let's say we are adding New York over here, you can simply add it in this particular manner. I hope this is clear to everyone and everyone understands the navigation where we can find this in the campaign settings page. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.